Hi, I'm Nitya, your tutor at Nityaz Academy. Let's learn effective language use together, step by step. The SAT rewards concision. Bloated phrases like, at this point in time just mean now, and due to the fact that means because. If two answers say the same thing, and one is shorter without losing meaning, the shorter one usually wins. Hunt for filler, and trim it ruthlessly. Other questions test precision and tone. Choose the word that fits the passage's meaning exactly, and keep the tone consistent. A formal essay shouldn't suddenly turn slangy. Watch for redundancy too. Unexpected surprise repeats itself, since a surprise is already unexpected. Say it once, say it clearly. The volcano gave off a loud blaring noise. Blaring already means loud, so loud blaring says the same thing twice. The concise answer is just a blaring noise. On these, scan for two words that carry the same idea and cut one. The shortest version that keeps the meaning is almost always correct. The scientists' data blank the new theory. Guessed doesn't fit. Data can't guess. Decorated is too casual and wrong in meaning. Supported is precise and matches the formal, scientific tone. For word choice questions, plug each option in and ask which one means exactly the right thing while fitting the passage's voice. Your checklist for effective language. 1. Filler phrases and any idea stated twice. 2. Choose the most precise word for the context. 3. Keep the tone matching the rest of the passage. 4. When answers tie on meaning, the shortest clear one usually wins. Write tight, write precise, and these points are yours. Great work. Keep practicing with Nitya at nityazacademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.